Hello everyone, how are you? Well guys, today I have purchased from Amazon. As you can see, what is this? What is this? Basically inside this envelope, you can say, I have already teared it. That is Plectrum, guitar Plectrum, or pick, we also call pick, but Plectrum is more technical as far as guitar is concerned, right? So in this video I'm going to unbox this Plectrum I have purchased for myself. This is of around 400 rupees. It has 14 Plectrum, and as you can see, let me this is of Tortex, just like you can see, Tortex, right? So it has 12 Plectrums. So you can see, what this Plectrum, white Plectrum. So it's good. It has what is called is the thickness of 0.88 mm, right? So it's going to be good as far as guitar is concerned. So you can see, guys, this is Plectrum. Let me play some music with it, and let me know how it's going to be and how it's going to be performed. I would like to show you one individual from close view so that I can see it's coming good to you or not. So right, this is 1 2 2 3. So right, so I'm going to play guitar with this. Well, this is my guitar, and I have this apart from this I have lots of other as well. Some Dolphin, that is the Indian brand, and one more is here, is like this Dolphin brand. This Dolphin, this is not good. Okay, I have one American brand as well that I have purchased of worth ₹50, and I was unaware of when I purchased. I was unaware of how to, what are the things to be keep in mind while purchasing this Plectrum or pick. So यार, ये 50 रुपीज़ का बेवकूफ़ बना के मेरे को दे दिया ऐसे. यार 50 रुपीज़ डिज़र्व नहीं करता, लेकिन इससे भी अच्छा ऐसे. It sounds good. Let me play for you. Now is going to be this. I'm going to play with this, right? This is way to pick it. This is the right way to pick it around. Right, so this? Are you mad? Sounds coming here, right? So this is the unboxing of this, you know. Strumming, you know. I would like to show one more thing is so this is the unboxing of this Plectrum or pig. I hope you thoroughly enjoy. If you want to purchase the same, link given in the description box, from there you can purchase this Plectrum, right? So I still am learning, but I like to play one last drumming for you, you know.